Alright, today we're going to draw the shaft guide Inventor, and we'll start with the first layer first. So I'll draw on the XZ plane, and then the overall length is the overall length is 3.5, but we'll go from make the 2 first. That's from circle to circle. Then we'll make the circles, which is 1.5 in diameter, 1.5 in diameter, and then a 1 diameter circle, 1 diameter circle. Okay, and then from the middle, this line to the circles on the out, the small circles on the side, 1, and 1, and then circle. First one's going to be 0.25 diameter. The next one is the outer circle, which has a diameter of 0.5, and then same here, 0.5. Okay, now we make a line from here to here, and then from here to here. Oh, we didn't make that outer circle. Okay, so 0.5. A line from here to here, from here to here, and then we're going to constrain it. We want to make a tangent to this circle and to this, tangent from this to this, tangent from this to this, and tangent from here to here, to here, to here, 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 here. Perfect. Now trim. Oh, delete this middle line. Trim. Delete this line. Delete, and then trim. And then actually trim those circles too. Delete. Finish sketch. And we're going to extrude. And we're going to do the first layer, the first height, which is 0.25. Perfect. Now we're going to make the other layer. So we're going to sketch on here. I'm going to go circle, here, and then here. The point is not given, but you can move around here, and then that will give you the points. Then you finish. Then you make it extrude, and then it's 0.75 because the overall height is 1, but we made the first layer, which is 0.2, so minus equals 0.75. Okay, now we make the middle part. And to do the middle part, we'll start sketch, and we'll press here, and then same old, we'll make a line from it there to there, and then the same on this, from here to here, and then we'll make circles. Try to find the middle point again. Perfect. Yep. Middle point. Yep. Okay, now constraint from here, and then from there to here, and then from here to this circle, and then here, and then trim, and then you want to trim. Oh, what's going on? Oh, I didn't touch it. So delete. We'll do this again. So from here, there, 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 and then tangents of this. Oh, it already is. So now you'll just trim it. Trim the outside of here. Trim, finish, extrude, and then you want to extrude it to 0.25, and then you have the middle. Perfect. Now we have to do the top, the last top. So start sketch, select the holes, circle, and then select the middle, which and then it's 1, and here it's 1. Finish sketch, extrude, select, then go to here and all, and then we'll cut through the bottom, and there it is. Here is the final part. This is the shaft guide and the Autodesk Inventor. We can look around here. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, so I'll do it, and then yeah. So this is the shaft guide.